गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एक हाई यील्ड टॉपिक डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं जो कि है टीरियन। ये टॉपिक बीडीएस, नीट और एमडीएस एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में बार बार पूछा जाता है, स्पेशली एमसीक्यूज में और बीडीएस लेवल में भी। सबसे पहले तो डेफिनेशन, सिंपल डेफिनेशन। टीरियन टीरियन इज a H-shaped junction. Remember, it is a H-shaped junction of the skull where four bones meet. Where what are those bones? Number one is the frontal bone. Remember the frontal bone. This one is the frontal bone. Second is the parietal bone. The third is the temporal bone. The temporal bone squamous part. And fourth is the sphenoid bone, greater wing of sphenoid bone. So the mnemonic to remember that is you can remember is FPTS. First is the frontal, this one frontal, parietal bone, temporal bone, and sphenoid bone. So it forms a H-shaped junction. So this represents the H-shaped junction. सेकंड, टीरियन का एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन याद रखना जरूरी है. So the exact location of Tyrion you have to remember. It is 4 centimeter above the zygoma. 4 centimeter above the zygoma, 3.5 centimeter behind the frontal process of zygomatic bone. And clinical terms में it is the location is on the side of skull. Where? The side of skull, near the temple region. Now why is Tyrion important? ये सबसे important part है. एग्जामिनर यहीं से क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाला है. Number one, the weakest part of skull. Remember, Tyrion is thin and fragile. Easily fracture हो सकता है. So which is the weakest part of skull? It's the Tyrion. Remember that. What is its relation? Relation second is the you have to remember for your exam is the relation with the middle meningeal artery. इसके नीचे मिडल मेनिंजियल आर्टरी चलती है. अगर फ्रैक्चर हो गया तो क्या होगा? आर्टरी रप्चर होगी और एक्स्ट्रा ड्यूरल हेमरेज होगा. पेशेंट को रिमेंबर टेम्पोरल रीजन पे इंजरी हो गई, इनिशियली ठीक है, फिर सडनली अनकॉन्शियस हो गया. व्हाट इज योर डायग्नोसिस? इट्स एक्स्ट्रा ड्यूरल हेमरेज. और रीजन क्या है? इसका रीजन है रप्चर ऑफ द मिडल मेनिंजियल आर्टरी एट द टीरियम. और क्लासिक टर्म्स वी कॉल इट एज अ ल्यूसिड इंटरवल. सो इंटरैक्टिव क्वेश्चंस लेट अस डिस्कस अगेन. टीरियन कितनी कितनी बोन्स का जंक्शन है? आंसर इज 4. कौन सी आर्टरी इसके नीचे होती है? इट्स द मिडल मेनिंजियल आर्टरी. इंजरी से कौन सा हेमरेज होता है? इट्स द एक्स्ट्रा ड्यूरल हेमरेज. और फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है स्कल का वीकेस्ट पार्ट कौन सा है? इट्स द टीरियन. अब हम एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करते हैं. लेट अस डिस्कस द एमसीक्यूज, फिर उसके बाद आगे बढ़ते हैं. टीरियन इज लोकेटेड. आंसर, इट्स लोकेटेड इन द लेटरल स्कल. That is frequently asked in anatomy exam spotters. Tyrion corresponds to which shape? It's H-shaped. It's classic one-liner MCQ. The bone that forms the lower part of Tyrion, it's the temporal region, temporal bone. The weakest part of skull is it's the Tyrion. We already discussed that. Which artery lies deep to Tyrion? It's the middle meningeal artery. So very easy. Fracture at Tyrion leads to extradural hemorrhage. The anterior branch of which artery is most commonly injured at Tyrion? It's the middle meningeal artery. Lucid interval is classically seen in. The answer is extradural hemorrhage. Tyrion is located 4 centimeter above the zygoma. Which part of sphenoid is involved in Tyrion? It's the greater wing. Now, again, why Tyrion is clinically important? Weakest part of skull, bone is thin here, it gets easily fractured. Second, extradural hemorrhage होता है. Fracture leads to rupture of the middle meningeal artery or blood accumulates between the skull and the dura. Third है lucid interval. पेशेंट इनिशियली कॉन्शियस रहता है, फिर सडन डिटेरियोरेशन हो जाता है. Frequently, that is the most frequently asked Viva plus MCQ question. Neurosurgical importance क्या है? Burr hole is made at the pterion that is done to evacuate the hematoma. That is again a MDS level question. Again MCQs. Pterion is formed by all except it's the occipital bone. The mnemonic was FPTS, which is the weakest part of skull. It's the pterion. Artery that is related to pterion, it's the middle meningeal artery. Which branch is commonly injured in pterion fracture? It's the anterior branch of the middle meningeal artery. It lies directly under the pterion. A patient gets hits on the temporal region, remain conscious, then collapse after 2 hours. Your diagnosis is extradural hemorrhage. So final revision, pterion is made up of 4 bones. Shape is H-shaped, weakest skull point. Artery is middle meningeal artery, that is anterior branch. Injury leads to extradural hemorrhage, and feature shows is the lucid interval. Treatment is surgery. Burr is made at the whole site. That's all.